Let's talk about Anker iPhone cable, PowerLine II Lightning cable 6 feet 1.8 meters, probably the world's most durable cable, MFI certified for iPhone XS XS Max XRX 88 Plus 77 Plus 66 Plus 5S. Strength in numbers. Extreme reinforcement ensures internal wiring is protected to keep phones chargeable to support over 80 kilograms. Ultimate durability, lasts 12x longer than other cables and proven to withstand over 12,000 bends in strict laboratory tests. Charge fast, MFI certification and strict quality testing ensure your Apple devices are charged safely, at their fastest possible speed. A cable for life. We're so confident about PowerLine II's long-lasting performance that we gave it a hassle-free, lifetime warranty. What you get: Anker PowerLine II 6FT including plugs, a hassle-free lifetime warranty and friendly customer service.